Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Alright guys, it's time for our practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。And 我们刚刚那样子是在跟大家说你好啦，对不对？在 greeting 啦，对不对？今天教的反而是要离开的时候，我们可能就要说再见啦，保重啦，再联络啦 ，see you again, see you later 这种东西 ，OK? So today for our practical Hakka about greetings, let's talk about parting ways, about saying goodbye and what to say when you part ways. For instance, what I just said earlier, 就从这个好啦，保重，再见，这样子 ，that means take care, goodbye.
OK
啊，保重，
保重，
保重。再见，再见不用你教，我现在突然间想到了，再见我自己教就好了，我不用 Alice 了，终于，再见，拜拜就是张来了
，Yeah，See
I knew it, I can do it on my own.
OK， 那海陆腔呢？
哇，还是要你耶，
还是有一点像的啦。
还是要靠 Alice 来跟我教我。
会啦，只要那个转一下音就好了。
OK，
视线你刚才说是
张来了，
海陆叫长来了。
I could have guessed it. 其实我应该自己乱掰一下，不然会掰中，对不对？
对呀。
再讲一次，长来了。
Yeah。
对嘛，就是有时候音去变一下，就变得是
OK。视线，
长来了，
海陆，
长来了，差不多嘛。
差不多。
Okay, that means take care, goodbye. Sometimes we want to say, come back again. You know, 有时候会说，有空再来我家玩好了那样子。Okay, so how do you say that?
有閒來我伏下了。
哇，好長的一句哦。來，有閒來我伏下了。
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's not too bad. I thought it was more difficult. So again, if you want to ask someone to come back to my house and have fun again, you would say, 有空來我家玩。
有閒來我伏下了。
有閒來我伏下了。And then finally, maybe we just simply just say 再聯絡哦 which simply means keep in touch, okay? Call again.
再個聯絡我。
再個聯絡哦，再聯絡就對了。
Yeah.
繼續聯絡 ，OK, that means keep in touch. 有時候兇一點，會說再聯絡，那就表示說不要再聯絡，對不對？
再個聯絡我。
也會那種意味，對不對？
就強調一點，再個聯絡我。
Sometimes when you say call again and you say it in a very mean voice, it means you better not call back. So say it in a very nice voice. 还是要比较亲切一點，要不然真的會聽起來好像說你不要再給我打來，對不對？All right, that's it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.